Hey, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today should be holiday in the United States, Thanksgiving, so I thought I'd get this video out. I recently tried to do a couple updates on a few of my servers, and I got this error, and I'll show it to you here, where I couldn't complete an update. The system was saying, please insert the CD. This system's been up for...
We are unable to complete your request.
9 months or so. No, almost pretty close to a year. We'll leave it at that. So I couldn't figure out why would the system be asking to insert the CD. This one that I'm showing here is a VM, and I did have it at the same time on my desktop PC, so I thought I'd show you a quick resolution to remove the CD. So the first thing I'm going to do is let's go into YaST and have YaST remove the CD. So pretty simple. You just have to go into repositories and list the repositories, select the one that you want to remove, hit delete, save. There you go. You can do the update to your Tumbleweed or Slowroll system. I'm also going to do it via CLI just to show it to you. And here's how to do this just by CLI, non-YaST. What you'll do is type in zipper lr. This lists the repositories, and if you see the CD, obviously you don't see the CD here because I removed it via YaST. Then what you do is do sudo zipper rr and choose the number. So if it was number 1, you'd hit 1. Or if it's 15, you'll do zipper remove repository 15. I'm not going to do anything here because I like everything that I have. So that's how you do it with standard CLI. Previous was YaST, and YaST is depreciated, and it will be going away. Now we'll do a system dup again. Remember, dup is for Tumbleweed and Slowroll. Up is for Leap. Leap may have this same issue, and the resolution will be exactly the same. Delete the CD from the repository list of your system, and so it won't actually check for the CD anymore. So here we go. Here's the update going, and I'll speed it up here just so we don't have to wait around. It's just an update. Everyone's done an update. And there you go. Everything is as it should be. It's all normal. So this is a quick one for you. Please hit like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. And I will see you on the next one. I'll probably do another video, probably Sunday or so. I'm trying to do 1 to 2 a week now, just to keep the algorithm going. And it's been working. I'm almost to 600 subscribers on this channel. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.